Hi everyone, this is Elizabeth Chi. So today I want to share with you on better thoughts, better questions. So questions serve different functions. Some take it as a way of socializing and interacting with other people. Some take it as a way of leading into innovations. So like scientists. Scientists take questions as like a knife that cuts through the secret of our world. So we have progression in our technology. This means great ideas and great innovation really depends on the content of our questions. So I believe through understanding what questions we tend to ask allows us to understand how we prefer to think because it can show us what truly piques our curiosity. Once during a class, the teacher asked us to discuss why the water does not spill out once it reaches the brim of a cup, but it expands before it spills. Well, it's called surface tension, as we all learn it afterwards. However, what truly piques my attention is that every one of our classmates, we shared all different aspects on the same experiment we had observed together. So that's the first time I realized that my brain was more satisfied with philosophical questions. So questions like, what's our relationship with water? What can be inferred in the experiment of surface tension? But no matter what kind of questions we tend to ask, it all needs practice. So once in the middle of a class, I raised my hand and asked the professor about a word and how to apply it in a sentence and its meaning because I couldn't grasp it. Well, here's the reply I got from him. You could actually search that on your phone. So, it was one of the most embarrassing moments of my life, but it made me into think: what kind of questions should we really ask in this? Like when we have the internet to answer probably most of our questions. My command of asking questions was not good until I had to deal with writing lengthy essays. So writing an essay really needs extensive critical analysis. So this means we need a handful of books and articles to covering the same topic to get the complete picture of of any topic. But my reading pace was not fast enough back in my university years. It's sometimes not fast enough still. So it was easy for me to lose the direction in the information, in the ocean of information. So a lot of times I caught myself just like describing the information I read instead of explaining it and also showing my analysis. And that was the first time I realized questions can be like marks for thinking. So it activates my thoughts while reading. So I would not meticulously focusing on every piece of information I get. So what I really learned from this experience is that good questions really need practices, but questions, especially those good questions that leads to innovation, growth, and other great ideas, it needs time for us to prepare. Questions generally can make us think out of the box. So in another way around, a good question also needs time to answer. So I'm still challenging myself to ask better questions each time to sharpen my thoughts. Thank you.